Visit www.npav.net. Click on Download and get Z Security Setup. Run the setup file, enter product key, and click Next. Accept terms and conditions and click Next. Enable Auto-Submit Suspicious Threats and click Next. Click Install and wait for the installation to complete. After installation, click Register and activate. Verify activation key and click Next. Fill in personal information and complete activation. NPAV Z Security is now activated. Thank you.